Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Matters, the go-to place for all things fresh and fabulous. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting: how to kickstart your own online vegetable and fruit business. If you've ever dreamed of turning your love for fresh, vibrant produce into a thriving online venture, you're in the right place. We're about to embark on a journey that will take your green dreams and turn them into a digital reality. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our juicy content. All right, let's get started. Starting an online vegetable store can be a rewarding venture, especially in today's digital age where convenience is highly valued. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch your online vegetable store successfully. 1. Market research. Identify your target market and understand their preferences. You should identify the geographical areas where your potential customers are located, and also understand lifestyle, interests, values, and attitudes of your audience. Analyze competitors and assess market demand. You should check the competitors who are already doing this business. Check deeply that they are doing business and what are the gaps in their business and how you can do better than your competitors. Determine the geographical scope of your delivery area. First of all, analyze the delivery areas of your competitors and then consider starting with a smaller delivery area as a pilot program. Analyze the performance and customer response in the pilot area before expanding. Use the data gathered during the pilot to inform decisions about scaling. 2. Business plan. Define your business model. Will you focus on organic produce, local sourcing, or a specific niche? Develop a pricing strategy. For pricing strategy, first, check the market selling prices of your competitors. Check the vegetables and fruits wholesale market or suppliers' rates. Add your costs like delivery cost, packing cost, salaries, rent, etc. Remaining will be your profit. Outline your marketing and promotional plans. Remember that there are 4 sources of marketing. Number 1, electronic media, for example, televisions, radio, etc. Number 2, print media, for example, newspapers, brochures, flyers, billboards, etc. Number 3, social media examples are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Number 4, and the most important, is your satisfied customers. Always remember, a satisfied customer can be a good marketer for you free of cost. He will discuss your services with his friends, relatives, and colleagues. They can also be your customers. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses. Comply with local health and safety regulations. Consider insurance coverage for your business. 4. Sourcing suppliers. Establish relationships with local farmers, wholesalers, or distributors. Establishing relationships with more than one supplier is also very important in every business. They will help you to check the wholesale prices of your vegetables and fruits and supply the vegetables and fruits to you. Second way of sourcing is, you can go to wholesale market and can buy good quality vegetables and fruits after a little bit bargain. Always remember that your all competitors are maybe selling on the almost same rate, but your good purchasing skills can increase your profit. After a certain time of relationship, these suppliers can also provide you vegetables and fruits on credit. At that time, you can also set the easy payment terms with them. Ensure a steady supply chain for a variety of fresh produce. Relationships with more than one supplier will also ensure a steady and smooth supply chain for a variety of fresh vegetables and fruits. 5. E-commerce platform. Choose a reliable e-commerce platform, Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, etc., that suits your business needs. Set up an online store with user-friendly navigation. Ensure secure payment gateways for online transactions. While choosing an e-commerce platform, you should keep in mind these 7 points. Number 1, choose a platform with an intuitive interface and easy setup if you lack technical skills. Look for platforms that offer tutorials, customer support, and a robust community for assistance. Prioritize platforms with robust security features to protect customer data and payment information. Look for SSL certification, secure payment gateways, and compliance with industry standards. Ensure the platform supports a variety of payment gateways. Ensure a responsive and user-friendly experience across various devices. Consider the level of customer support provided by each platform, and they should also offer reliable support through various channels, including live chat, email, and phone. 6. Product listings. Create detailed and appealing product listings for each type of vegetable and fruit you offer. Include high-quality images, product descriptions, and pricing. 7. Payment and delivery options. Offer various payment methods, credit cards, digital wallets, etc. Clearly define your delivery options and fees. Implement a reliable tracking system for orders. You can also provide a timetable according to area. For example, you can divide the area into 4 zones, and each zone can have different time frame. Just like in Zone 1, delivery timing is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., and in Zone 2, timing is 11:30 a.m. to 13:30 p.m. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity, including a memorable logo and website design. Utilize social media platforms to create awareness. For example, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Implement online marketing strategies such as SEO and content marketing. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Implement a responsive customer support system for inquiries and issues. 10. Logistics and fulfillment. Establish partnerships with reliable logistics companies for timely deliveries. Implement an efficient order fulfillment process to maintain product freshness. 11. Quality control. Implement strict quality control measures to ensure the freshness and quality of your products. Choose packaging materials that protect the freshness of the produce and minimize damage during transit. Consider using eco-friendly and breathable packaging materials to extend the shelf life of fruits and vegetables. Develop efficient order fulfillment processes to minimize the time between order placement and delivery. Prioritize the dispatch of orders shortly after packing to maintain product freshness. Train delivery personnel on handling procedures to prevent bruising, crushing, or damage to the produce during transportation. Provide customers with guidelines on inspecting the freshness of products upon delivery. Regularly inspect and rotate inventory to prevent spoilage. 12. Feedback and improvement. Encourage customer feedback and reviews. Use feedback to continuously improve your services and product offerings. 13. Promotions and loyalty programs. Implement promotions, discounts, and loyalty programs to attract and retain customers. For example, weekend offers, happy hour, discount offer on any 1 or 2 items on daily basis, etc. 14. Adapt and grow. Stay informed about industry trends. Adapt your business model based on customer feedback and market changes. Starting an online vegetable store requires careful planning, dedication, and a commitment to providing high-quality products and services. With the right strategy and execution, your online vegetable store can become a successful and sustainable business.